Hello everyone, this is Ella Marie T. Romero. Thank you for being here today. I am a technology professional who loves finding ways to make our lives simpler and more sustainable. That is exactly why I'm so excited to talk about our new product, the EcoSense Hub. I know the world of smart home technology can feel a bit overwhelming. My goal today is not to give you a technical lecture. It is to show you how the EcoSense Hub can truly simplify your life, save money, and make a positive impact on the environment. We have all been there, rushing out the door and suddenly wondering, did I turn off the air conditioner? Or staring at a surprisingly high electricity bill at the end of the month, feeling completely in the dark about where all the money went. We have been conditioned to think that saving energy means sacrificing comfort or constantly remembering to flip switches. But what if it did not have to be that way? What if your home could think for itself, learning and adapting to your life so you did not have to go? That's the core idea behind the EcoSense Hub. It's not just another gadget to add to the pile. It is a personal assistant for managing your home's energy consumption. Think of your utility bills and reduce your carbon footprint, all without you having to lift a finger or compromise your comfort. It takes all the guesswork and stress out of being more energy efficient. So what is the essence of this EcoSense Hub? It simplifies daily living. It has centralized control. EcoSense combines management for all the smart home devices, lights, thermos, appliances into one streamed interface for effortless daily use. Automation features. Advanced scheduling and automation tools allow users to customize routines, such as dimming lights or adjusting temperatures based on time or occupancy. It is also a user-friendly design. Its intuitive app and voice assistant compatibility ensure ease of use even for those unfamiliar with smart home technology. So the real magic of EcoSense Hub lies in what it does behind the scenes. We have built in with advanced AI algorithms and learn your family routine and preferences. It's like that a trusted friend who knows your habits. For example, it learns when you're typically home and away, what temperature you prefer in different rooms and different times in the day, and even identifies which appliances are using the most power, the culprits secretly draining energy even when you are not using them. So eco-friendly living. Yes, EcoSense Hub is the eco-friendly living. It reduces energy consumption. Intelligent algorithms optimize energy usage by adjusting devices to their most efficient settings, cutting waste and minimizing electricity use. Also, sustainable materials. The hub features eco-conscious manufacturing using recycled components and sustainable designs without compromising functionality. Carbon footprint reduction by integrating with renewable resources like solar panels and smart grids. The hub helps us to lower their environment impact. So based on this learning, it creates a smart adaptive schedule to optimize your energy use. It can automatically adjust your thermostat when you leave for work, dim the lights in a room that's been empty for a while, or turn off the televisions that was left on by accident. You don't have to be tech genius or even remember to set a schedule. The system just gets to work making small, impactful changes in background. It is not just a tool you control, but it is a smart system that gets better and more efficient. The more you use it, the more learning from your unique rhythms and behavior. So also it is cost saving. It is energy optimization. Fine-tuned device management reduces unnecessary power use, leading to noticeable savings on month energy bills. Also, it is utility partnership, works with smart meters and demands response programs for utility providers, offering lower rates and rebates for energy efficient behavior. Also, long-term savings. So this level of automation is not just about convenience, it's all about empowerment. It gives you back control over your energy use in a way that feels effortless. You will notice a difference on your monthly bill, and you will feel good knowing you're reducing your environmental impact. You can finally stop worrying about whether you left the lights on and focus on the things that truly matter. So AI-powered energy management. So this is personalized routines. The system learns residents' daily habits, okay, when you live or return home, and adjust energy use accordingly for maximum efficiency. Also, it is intelligent in scheduling, automatically program heating, cooling, and lighting systems based on users' preferences to reduce waste without compromising the comfort. Also, it is predictive adjustments, anticipates peak energy demands and scales energy use intelligently to minimize utility cost and environmental. Okay, it is real-time optimization. So weather awareness monitors local weather and adjusts system dynamically to account for temperature changes or sunlight availability. So occupancy sensing utilizes sensors to detect whether rooms are occupied and adapts lighting, heating, or cooling to match real-time needs. Also, demand response engage with energy providers during high demand periods, shifting usage patterns to take advantage of lowering rates and reduce strains of grid. So energy efficiency, intelligent in monitoring, tracks real-time energy usage across appliances, allowing homeowners to identify inefficiencies and reduce weight. Also, automated adjustments. Smart thermos and lighting systems optimizes consumption by adapting to occupancy, time of day, and outdoor conditions. Reduce bill. So, intelligently energy saving features utility, efficient in usage and minimizing unnecessary bills. So sustainability, so emission reduction, so utilizes solar integration and intelligent appliances significantly cut household carbon footprints without sacrificing functionality. Also, renewable energy support, seamless integration with solar panels, battery storage units, and green energy network ensures maximum sustainability. And eco-conscious operations. Automated systems like smart binds optimize natural lighting and insulation, reducing dependency on artificial heating and cooling. So comfort without compromise. So personalized automation, stress-free living, and seamless integration. So this is the real impact story. So energy saving, reduce strain, and environmental contributions. So ultimately, we believe that technology should work for you, not the other way around. The EcoSense Home Hub is the testament to that belief. It is designed to simplify your life, save you time and money, and give you peace of mind, knowing you're making a positive impact on the world around you. We're not just selling a product, we're offering a new, smarter way to live. You will be able to interact with the app, see how the hub adjusts to your commands, and get a feel for how easily it could fit into your life. Thank you for your time and attention today. We can wait to get this product into your hands. Bye.